Hey there, future Globetrotter. So you're thinking about going on your first solo trip? Bold move, I like it. Just you, the world, and absolutely no one asking what's for dinner every 5 minutes. Let me tell you, 2025 is the perfect year to ghost your group chat and hit the road. Let's get you ready to be the main character in your own travel story with a little help from us here at Passport Nuggets. Solo travel is all the rage right now. No, seriously, it's a movement. 73% of Gen Z travelers are already planning solo trips. Apparently, we've decided we're done waiting for Becky to check her schedule. It's independence, baby, your adventure, your itinerary, and yes, you can eat ice cream for breakfast without judgment. First things first, where are you going? Iceland. Let me paint you a picture. Waterfalls, glaciers, hot springs, no bugs. Or how about Lisbon? It's cobblestone streets, pastel buildings, and custard tarts that will make you question every dessert you've ever had. If you're craving tropical vibes, Madeira is all about lush mountains, dramatic cliffs, and vibes so chill they should come with a hammock. Bonus, these places are super safe, so your mom can chill. You're welcome, Mom. Now let's talk planning, because you're Gen Z or Millennial, which means you need apps, lots of them. Start with Hopper. It's basically a fortune teller for flights. Buy now or wait. Hopper knows. Then there's Hostel World, where you'll find hostels with vibes so good they could double as social clubs. And don't forget Rome to Rio. It'll map out how to get from literally anywhere to literally anywhere. Plane, train, ferry, tuk-tuk, Rome to Rio has you covered. Oh, and Splitwise. If you're tracking your budget, this app is the Beyoncé of expense tracking. You can't go wrong. Speaking of budgets, let's address the big question. How much is this going to cost me? Less than you think if you're smart about it. Hostels are budget-friendly and full of cool people who might just become your new travel squad. Street food is where it's at. Honestly, why would you drop $50 on fancy pasta when you could spend $5 on tacos that will literally change your life? And public transit? Cheap, efficient, and no awkward small talk with drivers. Now let's get packing. Repeat after me. Less is more. You don't need your entire wardrobe. You need clothes that mix and match, a solid pair of sneakers, and your power bank. Trust me, there's nothing worse than your phone dying when you're halfway through Googling how to say bathroom in Spanish. Also, invest in a microfiber towel. It's compact, it's quick drying, and it makes you look like a travel pro. Quick reality check. Safety matters, I know, not as fun as picking out which beach to chill on, but stay with me. Share your itinerary with someone who will actually care if you disappear, like your mum, your best friend, or that one overly invested co-worker. Download GeoShore to check how safe neighborhoods are, and please, for the love of Wi-Fi, download offline maps. Getting lost is a vibe, but only when it's on purpose. Feeling nervous about being alone? Don't be. Hostels, group tours, and apps like Meetup or Bumble BFF make it easier than ever to find people to hang with. But let's not forget the beauty of solo time. Picture this. You sitting at a cute cafe, sipping your coffee, journaling about how mysterious and worldly you look. It's called living the dream. Now, capturing the dream, that's an art. Get yourself a Bluetooth shutter for those solo selfies. Or better yet, embrace TikTok life with CapCut. It's like having a Hollywood editor in your pocket. People love raw, unfiltered moments. Post the good, the bad, and the accidentally ordered pig's feet in Paris moments. Your followers will eat it up, maybe even more than you ate those pig's feet. So there you have it. The world's big, beautiful, and waiting for you. No travel buddy, no problem. This is your story, your adventure, your time. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tell us where your first solo trip is going to be. And remember, the only approval you need on this trip is your own. Go conquer the world, you travel icon. From all of us at Passport Nuggets, we can't wait to see where you go.